If you have some leftover pasta, you can use them to make a jungle sensory tray. Now, let's work on our pasta sensory base. Mix in some vinegar and coloured dye and leave it aside to dry. Once the coloured pasta is dry, it's time to assemble our sensory tray. These really give me the jungle vibes, don't you think? Next, let's accessorize the tray. Awesome! Our jungle sensory tray is starting to shape up. Now, for the finishing touches, the animals. I'm going to make these all colourful and rainbow looking before adding them into the sensory bin. Our jungle sensory tray is ready. Let's play! Jungle animals are a hit with so many children. They get to learn more about the features and characteristics about the animals in the wild, as well as build on their vocabulary.